Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix Instagram story waiting for connection. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this short video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the App Store and we have to just simply tap on search and search here for Instagram, and we have to make sure that there is not update any of the update on the app. If there is an update, then you have to just simply update the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then close this page and open the settings. And from here guys, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly and there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you have still this problem, then open journal and from here guys, simply tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and locate for the Instagram app, and from here guys, just simply offload the app, and after that delete the app, and after that open App Store again, and from here guys, just simply download and install the latest version of Instagram app, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.